up guys, my name is Kayla Rundle. Welcome back to this video. Today I am at LS Fest East in Bowling Green, Kentucky, and this event is insane. Of course it has a lot of 5th Gen, so I wanted to dedicate an entire video to all of the 5th Gens at this event. It is some of the best 5th Gens literally in the US on the side of the country. I don't really see a lot of Camaros and cars from the East Coast since I'm in Phoenix, Arizona, but I know most of my supporters are all 5th Gen owners and Camaro lovers, LS lovers, so I'm gonna walk around and show you guys some of my favorite cars, and maybe since you're watching, if any of you guys are at this event, maybe your car will be in the video, who knows? Stay tuned, let's walk around, check all the cars. I'll just put in tons of clips, and I'm also gonna be showing you Raquel's car, who they are right here. So I'll show you some clips of that. She just got it all redone by Wicked Performance. It's insane, it's giving me motivation to do more to my car. We'll get that done, so enjoy the video. Look at this sick 5th Gen Summit White. It's the same color as my Camaro. I actually want a drag pack so bad on my car. Like, this actually looks insane. I swear to God, Camaros were designed for this. I don't trust. Are you excited? I'm so excited!
Just see the car.
Shut the fuck up! Oh my!
That we made. That's a laser engraving that I made.
Raquel just posted on her channel. She just revealed her Camaro. She just got it back from Wicked Performance.
Oh my god, so exciting.
It literally looks insane. Like, I'm already getting chills on my arm right now. But they cleaned this engine up so much before she was having lots of issues, and that motor was literally about to blow up, so they saved her. And I'll just give you guys a quick walk around of her car. Oh, it's so clean. We got another Camaro owner about to go for racing. He's got his helmet on and everything. Gosh, my original love for Camaros, I always wanted a black on black Camaro, so I still have that in my heart. The white Camaro is actually the last color I wanted on mine. Did you literally hear him whistle at us? He literally was like, phew, phew. Like, I can't whistle, so that's how I really like. Interior inspiration. I need that bar so bad, and those seats are sick. What are those, Momo? And an energy. And another 5th Gen within 10 feet of another 5th Gen. Dang, look at this Camaro. Looks insane. Those wheels look pretty good, and they have an LS Fest number. They have autocross here at LS Fest, so a lot of people have been competing. Look at those vents on that hood. And the roof. Dang, look at that. It's a wrap.
Yep.
Yep. This is the owner of this Camaro right here that I was just showing you guys. Insane. I was just telling them that I want like a full tri-carbon roof and hood, because I have a 5th Gen as well.
Okay.
So, yeah. Goals. Just very expensive.
Yes, it is.
It gets insane. I mean, cars, how are you doing with the event?
Pretty good.
Are you enjoying Holley LS Fest so far?
Yeah, definitely.
Woo! Is this your first time?
No, it's probably like 4th or 5th time.
Dang, he's a professional. This is my first time on the East Coast, so it's been a fun time. Well, thank you. It was nice meeting you. I'm
Nice
Kayla.
meeting you.
Get that 2nd Gen.
Yeah, do that with an old school small block.
essence, so you will feel comfortable.
Hey guys, I found another Camaro owner. What's your name?
Hi there, it's Derek Wolf.
Derek Wolf. Do you have an Instagram?
I
Or
do.
any media?
I do. I think it's Derek Wolf.
We all gotta go support the other 5th Gen Camaro owners, of course.
Yes.
Literally this entire event, I've been walking around trying to find 5th Gen people, and they've actually been helping me on this whole time. Nick's Camaro broke down, and Camaro owners came and helped us, which was the best. So
Yeah.
it was, his axle
We
broke.
were watching that. We were following that to make sure he made it down there.
Yeah, it was bad because I was so far away from home. I'm like, I literally have not slept for 2 days. But anyways, let's get to the chase. All right, so tell us about your Camaro. What performance mods do you have?
So it's a 2010 heads and cam, cook setters. It's got a 373 gear, 6-speed car.
Okay.
Fairly nice.
Look how shiny this is. Is it like track specific?
So
far?
yeah, so we put the 1LE Recaros in it, and I do a little bit of autocross racing.
Oh, nice. Those seats are the most wanted seats for 5th Gen.
Yeah.
I swear, it's so hard to find. They're so expensive, but they're really
They are
good.
pricey.
You have a harness bar in there.
So it goes in it's cook setters into the Borla Attack 373 gear. We kind of rounds it out pretty good.
Sound pretty good.
It's pretty nice.
Ready? Hey, it's chopping! LS gang. I'm so impressed by your paint. What year is this? 2010? 10?
What year's yours?
13.
Be much newer.
I like the steering wheel. It's like so much. It's like classic, like the 69, but it's big. It feels like a muscle car.
I do like the classic gauges.
Got that, man. Jeez, this is cool. I like how it's color themed. Well, looks like I found the 5th Gen area. Got one here. Got one here. They have their engines bay popped. Everything is so clean. I think this person, her name is Maniac Michelle, so I think that's a girl driver. That would be pretty cool. Pretty clean. They got their engine cover painted with red, which is really nice. I assume, yep, I was like gonna say red brake calipers. Very clean Camaro. Nice job. I like seeing there's so many 5th Gen Camaros out here. It's crazy. Another Camaro. Looks stock. It looks like they have an oil catch can in here, right over there. Definitely looks like they have some long tube headers in there as well. Those don't look stock, but and they have a rotofab cooler intake, so it looks like they have the mods that I had on my Camaro for like 3 years. Very clean. It makes me happy when I see the paint all nice and shiny. 6th Gen interiors are so different from 5th Gens. They got the Hurst shifter in there. All right, found another Camaro owner out here. He's gonna show me quickly what his Camaro's about, what he has done. So it looks like it's a 6th Gen. What year?
This is a 21. This is the new Wild Cherry tint coat.
Gorgeous.
This is their second package. This is our third one.
Your third Camaro?
Yep. This is my second 6th Gen.
Dang.
Started out V6 5th Gen and
Dang.
enjoyed it, and then I
Fun.
got into the 6th Gens with a manual. And we're all part of a big Camaro club, if I can mention
What's
it.
it called? Of course.
American Association of Camaro and Firebirds.
Okay.
We're doing a record run in June up on the Tail of the Dragon. You ever run the Tail of the Dragon?
No, I've always wanted to though. I heard it's a great
Corvette's
driver
on the
mode.
record right now for 423 cars of the same manufacturer. We're going to try and do 500 Camaros.
You guys hear him?
So in June, look us up on Facebook
Okay.
and everything. We have Instagram and everything. But
Where are you located out of?
I'm in West Kentucky.
Okay.
I'm not far from here, but we've got clubs all over the country.
That's awesome.
Yeah, we started out in Nashville. And
So do you guys think we can get the biggest Camaro run together on the Tail of the Dragon coming soon? That'd be insane.
it'd be a fun run.
Gotta beat the Corvette guys.
It's in June of next year.
That's
So,
awesome.
KJ is one of my new friends. He's
All
got
right.
his built over here.
Let's go meet KJ. Check out his Camaro.
Yeah.
You want to tell him what you have done to this?
This is 19 Super Sport. Had heads, cam. It's got the touchy speed cam in it. Cold air intake, headers all the way back,
Nice.
pushing right over 500 some horses.
Wow, really?
Yeah.
Heck yeah. So did you get a dyno tune on it?
Yeah,
Nice.
it's been done. I had my guy out of Lucas Performance in Brooksville, Kentucky. He did all the work for it. And it's just happy as can be.
Look at these wheels too. I love how the inside of them are like red. That burgundy color is so nice.
Yeah, different than what's out there.
Look, literally the background's filling with tire smoke right now because the drift, or
the drift?
not the drift competition. What is it? The burnout competition through. Is that the Hoonigan? I think that's the Hoonigan.
Yep,
Yeah.
That's the Hoonigan.
Insane.
Yep.
It's crazy. Sorry if you guys can't hear us too well. There's literally V8s around us everywhere.
You can't touch one that's not almost.
Literally, like this event's literally a dreamland. It's so
Yeah.
fun. Then I can just meet all the Camaro people I want
Yep.
and figure out what I want
That's
to do
it.
with my car. All the vendors. Have you talked to all the people in the vendors?
Oh, yeah,
too?
yeah.
Well, thank you so much for showing
No
me your
problem.
car. I appreciate it.
You got it.
I love Camaro owners. They're so nice. I just make everybody my best friend. Look, we got two more. Literally, I walked 2 cars up the hill, and there's 2 other 5th gens behind me in Summit White, which is the same color Camaro I have as well. Looks like we have a ZL1 right here, and he has the little black stripes on the grills, the gills, and then this has niche wheels just like Raquel has on her car. Looks pretty good. It's kind of weird because I'm so used to seeing my Camaro slammed, and then I see others that are like a normal suspension and lowered an inch, and I'm like, they look lifted. And it looks like this one has a little wicker bill on his spoiler. Clean. I don't know. I love white Camaros because it feels like I'm looking at my Camaro, so it makes me happy. And literally, I looked like 2 feet to my left, and there's more Camaros, so I'll show you guys. Okay, I believe this color is that same gray color that Raquel has on her Camaro. I'm pretty sure. I was like, yep, this car has some tire on it. That's saucy. Full race car. It's cloth interior. It looks like it's a 2010. Could be wrong, but usually when I see that steering wheel, it is. We have a baby on board sticker and a 1320 sticker right next to it. That's funny. It's all blacked out. Pretty clean. Gosh, I swear this whole place is covered in Camaros. Bro, I love this red interior though. That's so pretty. What do they got done underneath the hood? Little K&N intake. Looks like it's a early model Camaro for the 5th gens because it has that piping on the top. They have an oil catch can right there. Looks like they have some long tube headers. Clean. Bro, this blue right here on the Camaros are so rare. Oh, look at the license plate on the front. It says thick. You can hear the Camaro right there. He's trying to bring it over. And he stalled and embarrassed himself. Look at this. I love this color on the Camaros. And then he matched the brake calipers to the paint. Oh, someone put a Hot Wheel. That's so cute. Seems like the best mod when you have a 5th gen is literally like cold air intake, long tube headers, some wheels and tires on it. Honestly, the car already has everything you need, so I'm not mad about it. But I just want to say this event is huge. I'm way up on the hill right now. It's hard to tell, but like those cars are tiny. It goes all the way across, and you can't even see the end of the event because it's all hilly, but insane. Definitely recommend LS Fest West and East. I'm so happy to be on the East Coast. Hey, okay. I just wanted to real quickly give the Z28 some honorary mention. I love Z28s. I think it's like every Camaro guy's dream car because it has the LS7 in it, and their full race car AC is an option in the Z28s, and they have these fender flares which are like super expensive to just put on a car. I don't know. I wish the Z28 was made with my body style before the update so it could have like those 4 taillights in the back. Then I would definitely own one right now, but these things have gone up in price so much lately. A year or 2 ago they were going for like 35, 40, and then now they're back up to like 70, so insane, but definitely a dream car for most Camaro owners, so love that car. Where do these people get these seats at? I need these. That's so clean. God, I got some tire on there. Bro, that's so low. What the hell? Hero King 11. Is he on bags? He has to be. No other way.
What up?
guys, so I just wanted to put in a quick update into this video since this is the Camaro video. I did just get my quarter panel for the Camaro, so hopefully it should be fixed in the next month or two. And I do have a wrap in mind for the Camaro, and it's literally going to be the opposite of the last wrap, so we'll see what your guys' reactions are on that one. But it is still in the process. It's going to be going into the body shop soon. I'm just trying to gather parts for the Camaro, but in the meantime, I will be having some suspension videos since I'm getting coilovers through KW and working with Detroit Speed on some other parts. So there will be a lot of stuff going on. No, the Camaro probably won't be running, but I will have lots of installation videos. So stay tuned for that. I'm super excited, but I'll show you guys the quarter panel since I'm sure a lot of you guys haven't seen a quarter panel off of a Camaro before. So this right here is half of the Camaro. This is a GM part that we got it off of OfferUp, but it is a genuine GM part. And this whole part, it will be welded into the Camaro. It's brand new. It's crazy to see it literally against a wall. But that's the most complicated piece we need, and it was the most expensive piece for the Camaro. So I got it for a good price, which is really nice. So thank you, Sam, for going to pick that up for me. He has this huge truck. Even though he hit it, he's helping me get all the parts to fix it. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope some of you 5th Gen owners found your cars in this video. If not, I will probably see more of you guys at LS Fest West or events around the valley if you guys are around in the Phoenix and SoCal area. I love to talk to all of you guys. Of course, I have a Camaro, so you guys are my favorites. And also the JDM crew. 240 is on the way to be built, so getting parts figured out for that car, it's going to be insane. But I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next video. It's going to be my Holley LS Fest East vlog. I had so much fun at that event, so stay tuned for that one. I love you guys. Go check out my Instagram and TikTok. All my social medias are Kayla Rundle, as you all probably know. But I appreciate you guys. Love you guys. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.